The dawn of a new cyber warfare. Day zero. Attacks in the age of AI. In an increasingly interconnected world, the digital landscape is constantly under siege from evolving cyber threats. Among the most insidious and challenging are Day Zero cyber attacks, a term that is taking on a chilling new dimension with the rapid advancements in artificial intelligence, AI. These attacks represent the frontier of cyber warfare, demanding immediate and innovative responses. In an increasingly interconnected world, the digital landscape is constantly under siege from evolving cyber threats. Among the most insidious and challenging are Day Zero cyber attacks, a term that is taking on a chilling new dimension with the rapid advancements in artificial intelligence, AI. These attacks represent the frontier of cyber warfare, demanding immediate and innovative responses. A Day Zero cyber attack, often shortened to zero-day attack, refers to an exploit that targets a software vulnerability that is unknown to the vendor or developers. This means there has been 0 days for the developers to create and distribute a patch for the flaw. Consequently, there are no existing defenses or signatures that traditional cybersecurity tools can detect, making these attacks incredibly potent and difficult to prevent. The implications for cybersecurity are profound. When a zero-day vulnerability is discovered and exploited, it grants attackers a critical window of opportunity to penetrate systems undetected. This period can range from hours to months, during which the vulnerability can be weaponized against countless targets before any mitigation is available. The success rate of zero-day exploits is historically high precisely because defenders are caught entirely unaware. The advent of sophisticated AI capabilities introduces a paradigm shift in the realm of zero-day exploits. Traditionally, identifying zero-day vulnerabilities required immense human expertise, meticulous code analysis, and often serendipitous discovery through fuzzing or reverse engineering. AI, however, promises to automate and accelerate this process exponentially. How AI can identify unknown vulnerabilities. Automated fuzzing and symbolic execution. AI-driven tools can perform advanced forms of fuzzing, feeding programs with unexpected inputs to crash them, and symbolic execution, analyzing code paths for vulnerabilities at unprecedented scales. They can intelligently generate test cases, learn from program behavior, and pinpoint anomalous responses that indicate potential flaws, far surpassing human capabilities in speed and scope. Pattern recognition. In code bases, machine learning algorithms can be trained on vast datasets of code, including known vulnerabilities and their patterns. This allows AI to recognize subtle yet critical weaknesses in new code bases that might escape human review or static analysis tools. It can identify anti-patterns, logical errors, or insecure design choices that could lead to exploits. Autonomous exploit generation. Once a vulnerability is identified, AI can potentially automate the complex process of crafting an effective exploit. This involves understanding the vulnerability's nature, identifying control flow manipulation points, and generating shell code or malicious payloads tailored to the target system. The terrifying prospect is an AI system capable of autonomously discovering a zero-day vulnerability, developing an exploit, and launching an attack, all without human intervention, in a matter of minutes or hours, The consequences of such sophisticated attacks are severe and far-reaching. Massive data breaches, AI-powered zero days could lead to the exfiltration of sensitive personal data, intellectual property, and classified information on an unparalleled scale, impacting privacy, national security, and corporate competitiveness. Critical infrastructure compromise. Attacks on energy grids, water treatment plants, transportation networks, and financial systems could lead to widespread disruption, economic collapse, and even loss of life. Undermining trust and stability. The consistent compromise of secure systems would erode public trust in digital platforms, governmental institutions, and the very fabric of digital society. Weaponization of AI. The risk of AI being used by hostile state actors or sophisticated criminal organizations to wage cyber warfare could escalate geopolitical tensions and destabilize international relations. Systemic risk. A single, widely used software component or operating system could harbor an AI-discovered zero-day, leading to a cascade of compromises across diverse sectors. While fully autonomous, AI zero-day generation is still largely theoretical. The integration of AI into malicious tools is already a reality. Attackers are using AI for enhanced phishing and social engineering. AI can craft highly personalized and believable phishing emails, deepfake voice messages, and manipulated images to trick victims into revealing credentials or installing malware. Automated malware development. AI can assist in generating polymorphic malware that evades detection by traditional antivirus software. Intelligent network reconnaissance. AI can efficiently scan vast networks, identify weak points, and prioritize targets for attack. In response, cybersecurity professionals are also leveraging AI for defense. Anomaly detection. AI ML models are trained to detect unusual network traffic, user behavior, and system processes that might indicate an ongoing attack, including those stemming from zero days. Threat intelligence and prediction. AI aggregates and analyzes vast amounts of threat data to identify emerging attack patterns and predict potential vulnerabilities. Automated incident response. AI can automate parts of the incident response process, such as isolating compromised systems or deploying patches, reducing response times. Secure code analysis. AI assists developers in identifying and fixing vulnerabilities during the software development lifecycle, aiming to prevent zero days before they even exist. AI doesn't just enable new attacks. It can also amplify the impact of existing ones. An AI-orchestrated attack could rapidly adapt to defensive measures, identify new targets within a compromised network, and proliferate at machine speed. The risks associated with the increasing use of AI in cybersecurity, both offensively and defensively, are significant. The future could see AI systems battling each other in the cyber domain, leading to an arms race where the advantage goes to whoever has the more sophisticated or faster learning AI. The black box nature of some AI models can make it difficult to understand why a system made a certain decision, complicating incident response and forensic analysis. Malicious actors can train AI models to fool defensive AI systems, creating a cat-and-mouse game where models learn to evade detection. Over-reliance on a single AI defense system could create a massive vulnerability if that system itself is compromised or bypassed. The potential consequences are not uniform but vary significantly across sectors. Financial services, disruptions to stock markets, banking systems, and payment networks could lead to economic instability and widespread panic. Healthcare. Attacks on hospitals and patient record systems could compromise patient safety, privacy, and disrupt critical medical services. Government and defense, espionage, data theft, and disruption of command and control systems could have national security implications. Energy and utilities, power outages, water supply contamination, and communication failures could cripple societies. Supply chains, interruption of logistics, manufacturing, and distribution networks could lead to shortages and economic losses. Given the escalating threat, developing effective countermeasures is paramount. This requires a multifaceted approach: proactive security by design, integrate security considerations from the very beginning of software development, focusing on robust architectures and secure coding practices. Continuous vulnerability research. Invest in both human and AI-driven efforts to discover and patch vulnerabilities before malicious actors can exploit them. Advanced threat detection. Deploy AI-powered anomaly detection, behavioral analytics, and threat intelligence platforms capable of identifying novel attack vectors. Resilient architectures. Implement redundancy, segmentation, and disaster recovery plans to minimize the impact of successful breaches. International collaboration. Governments, industries, and research institutions must share threat intelligence and collaborate on developing common standards and defensive technologies. Regulation and ethics. Establish ethical guidelines for AI development and deployment, particularly in security-sensitive applications, and consider regulations to prevent the misuse of AI for offensive cyber operations. Recommendations for protection. Prioritize patch management. Regularly patch known vulnerabilities to reduce the attack surface. Implement zero trust architecture. Require strict verification for every access attempt. Invest in AI-driven security tools for advanced threat detection, behavioral analytics, and automated response. Regular security audits and penetration testing, including red team exercises to uncover weaknesses. Employee training. Educate employees about social engineering tactics and best security practices. Incident response plan. Develop and regularly test a comprehensive incident response plan for quick and effective action during a breach. Data backup and recovery. Maintain robust backup and recovery systems to ensure business continuity after an attack. For individuals, keep software updated. Regularly update your operating system, web browser, and all applications to patch known vulnerabilities. Use strong, unique passwords and multi-factor authentication, MFA. MFA adds a critical layer of security against compromised credentials. Be skeptical of suspicious links and emails. Practice caution with unsolicited communications, as AI can make social engineering highly convincing. Use reputable antivirus, anti-malware software. Backup important data. Store copies offline or in secure cloud storage. The future of cybersecurity will undoubtedly be defined by an accelerating AI arms race. Defensive AI will need to evolve beyond reactive measures to proactive, predictive, and even prescriptive capabilities, anticipating threats before they fully materialize. This will necessitate self-healing systems. AI-driven systems that can autonomously detect vulnerabilities, patch themselves, and recover from attacks with minimal human intervention. Quantum-resistant cryptography, development of cryptographic methods impervious to potential attacks by future quantum computers, which could break current encryption standards. Human-AI collaboration. The most effective defense will likely involve humans and AI working synergistically, with AI handling the vast data analysis and rapid response, and humans providing strategic oversight, ethical considerations, and nuanced decision-making. Global governance and ethical frameworks. Establishing international norms and regulations for AI and cyber warfare will be critical to prevent uncontrollable escalation. Ultimately, day zero cyber attacks, supercharged by AI, represent an existential challenge to our digital way of life. The battle will be fought not just with code and algorithms, but with foresight, collaboration, and a continuous commitment to innovation in defense. The goal is to ensure that AI remains a tool for progress and protection, rather than becoming the ultimate weapon of cyber destruction.